gloves on. What we got here? That's nice. It's a cool one. Look at these. Get this fucking thing out of here. Fuck. That thing's not even used. God damn. Hot. I accentuate that dish in the middle. Woo! And through 2 pairs of these gloves, when you're feeling it, it's hot. Yeah. I mean, they're never going to be perfect, but pretty cool when you get them all soft and pillowy looking. Woo! Five, 4, 6. 4, 6, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 2. So and OZ right there. This dude, see, that's from stamping. And my other set, where the fuck's my other set? Ah, still got it, but that was weak. There we go. Let's take some pressure. Here's a stamp I haven't used before. I want to try it out. Really tiny slickster in a gear. You'll be able to see it better when I antique it. Okay, this one, I have not used that one. I really want to use that one. So, slickster face, bam! These are old. These are really cool. I'm not a fan of the new stamps. Yeah, that's cool. Ace of spade, damn. Done. Where's my skull? Little lightning bolt fun. I gooched that one pretty good. Something a little different. Got it. Alright. Then we gotta go burnish them. On this pass, I'm just trying to burnish it. Then I start removing. So if I want to bring it up a little bit brighter, get a little bit more aggressive with it. But say somebody wants a super high buff, you know, like really, like I'll show you that too. This is the high buff. Just rub it out. What better to rub it out than a vintage Tiffany bag? See the difference? Just a little. I'll do a totally different finish on this one, but this is a deadly finish. You'll see why in a minute. It's spitting out, you see. It's like getting acupuncture and finishing at the same time. I love that satin old cool look. Alright? Let's look at this. Look at this shit. I got probably 30 needles in my hands and my arms. Look at this shit. It's everywhere. That is the worst. Just buff the edges. So you can see the difference between like super high buff, yeah, and just kind of a tone down. Now this will finish out really cool when you buff it like that and then you burnish it. It almost looks like black chrome. Throw back to the 90s, right? Black chrome. You gotta love about metal, man. There's a million ways to finish it.